stickers. And this time I made them using nano tape and soft UV resin. And this is my Halloween Too Cute to Spook collection. Oh, they're adorable. Yes. Yay, stickers. Oh my God. I am obsessed with making stickers. I've made a video about 4 techniques with like how to make homemade stickers, and you can check it out. But oh my God, today I'm gonna show you like, the techniques are very simple. They're pretty much the same, one another. But this is like using nano tape. I'm very excited. I make them like squidgier, but I'm gonna take it a step further, and I'm gonna dome them as well. And what I found out, I've seen this soft UV resin. Oh my God, it's really cool. It's really, really cool. But I've done few drawings, and I wanted to do like something for Halloween, but it doesn't matter how much I try, I cannot do spooky. I can't. So this is going to be the sticker series Too Cute to Spook. I've seen that somewhere and I was like, oh my God, I love that. I absolutely love it. And I was inspired by my sock monsters, and I thought, oh, I bet I can do something else with them. And then from there, I've started drawing different little things. So let me show you the drawings that I did. By the way, I don't have a color printer. So to make these stickers, I've used my little sprocket. This is actually really, really cool. It is a very old one, but it's still working perfectly. And it's basically prints photos, but you don't need the ink or anything like that. You just got the paper, you put it in, and then color prints come out. How amazing is that? And they're all stickers. So they come in packs like this. And yeah. And the back is sticky, so they're great. And I'm going to be using this to print off my designs. And let me show you my designs. So this is like, I don't know what it is. It's a little pinky monster. And yeah, as you can see, they're like the same sort of thing as my sock monsters. And that's it. And then I've done this, which is sort of like Bigfoot kind of thing. The little witch, because yeah, then I got carried away. Little sort of spooky, cutie, spooky dog. The pumpkin guy. And Frankenstein, look at him. Oh my God. So adorable. So adorable. So these are my designs, and what I'm going to be doing with these designs as well, I'm going to make them available for digital download. So if you're interested, they are going to be available to purchase, but the purchase is going to be a donation, which is going to help me to support my channel. So every little help. So yeah, they're going to be available already colored in, and I'm going to also make them available as a like sheets to color, and the sizes are gonna be perfect to use with nano tape. So this is like 5 centimeters, and this is really thin, because this is what we're gonna be using today to make the stickers. And also we're gonna be using soft UV resin, so then we can dome them and make proper squidgy stickers. I love it. I absolutely love it. But so this is going to be an easy, quick and easy video, hopefully. But let me show you. Let's cut these to size. Well, we're just going to leave like a white border around, like a proper sticker, and then we're going to be wedging them in the nano tape. And you can either leave them like that, and what you can do, if you want to decorate your home, you can even stick them on the window, like facing this way. So from the outside, they can actually see the design, because it's going to be double-sided, because we're going to put this on both sides or we can just leave it on the top bit, whatever you want to do. But let's get on with it. Let's trim. So I'm gonna leave a little white border all around it, as if it's like a proper sticker. Right, now that we've got all our stickers being cut, what we're gonna do, we're gonna use the nano tape, and as these have already got a sticky back, I'm only gonna put the nano tape at the front. If you were drawing on a normal piece of paper, then you will need to do the back and front and leave a wider border around it. Well, it depends, because if you do it with the nano tape, you don't need to wedge it with the border. But if you do, like, I don't know, vinyl at the back, and then you want to do the squidgy nano tape at the front, then yes, you do need to leave a border, because the back, you basically sandwiching the sticker, the design. But let me show you this. So we've got our designs, and what I'm going to do, roll the nano tape and stick that there. Ta-da! And cut it. And I trim it all around, and because it's really thin, it's really easy to cut. I think I would have been better off cutting it all together, but hey ho, hindsight and all of that. Brilliant. And now that we've got the squidgy, we could leave it like this, and as I said, you could even stick it, you can peel off, because the nano tape is double-sided, so you can peel off the front bit and attach it to the window. But I want it domed, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to use some UV resin and dome the top bit, and this is soft, so it's not going to make it hard and compromise the squidginess of the sticker. And then obviously we're going to be curing it with the UV light, so let's do that. So this UV light, I bought it from Amazon, and is highly transparent, non-yellowish, mix well with pigment, for UV LED light, non-toxic, safe for human, thin type, less bubble, no shrinking, which is perfect, the non-shrinking. But safety first, so I'm gonna put my gloves on and my brand new mask. Oh, I am your father. Oh my god, they're done. They've been curing for about 4 minutes. What do you think? Oh, I love them. And look at the squidginess. See how thick they are? Oh, they feel really, really lovely. Oh, so good. And so easy. I know I've used the sprocket, but you don't need to use the sprocket. You can actually use print it on normal paper, but if you print it on normal paper, don't forget that you need to wedge them. And if you wedge them with the nano tape, you don't need to leave an additional border. So you can just leave the white border around what you've drawn or what you've got. Because the nano tape is double-sided. So then you can stick them either on the window or you can stick them on a piece of paper or card or decorate whatever you want. Or you can print them on this sticky paper. You've got either gloss or matte, and I've used this paper for my previous stickers as well. And then all you do, you print them on this paper. You can print them like black and white, and then you color them in, and then you do the top coating with the UV resin if you want them domed, or you stick the nano tape at the top and then you can stick them onto the window. As I said, my designs are going to be available to purchase in Ko-fi. The links are going to be in the description of the materials that I've used, the UV resin as well. And oh my God, I hope you like them. I absolutely love them. And what I've been doing, I've been creating my own little sticker album. Let me show you. I've got this. I bought it because I just wanted to get the updates for our garden. But then, well, nothing much happened. And I thought, I'm going to use it for my stickers. So here it is. Ta-da! And these are the previous stickers that I did. And it's like stickers 2024. So I'm going to stick these in here. I'm so happy. Oh, the page turned up. Ripped. But yeah, there we go. Look at these. Can I peel it? And I'm going to put don't stickers. I love them. Oh, I'm really happy with these. Really, really happy. I hope you like my designs too. And as I said, if you... Oh, that's spelled... There's been a spillage. Sorted. Oh, these are so cool. I am in love. I am in love. They still feel a little bit sticky. I don't know if they need it to cure a little bit longer, but I've done the 4 minutes as they said. Maybe I should have left them to rest for a little bit. But I really like them. Ta-da! Spongy, spongy. Oh. And there we go. I really hope you like my designs, and as I said, they're going to be available on my Ko-fi, and all the links are going to be in the description. But yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you have, why not give me the thumbs up? It really helps my channel to grow. And also, why not subscribe and hit the bell so you can receive the notifications on when next video is going to come out. Because yeah, there's going to be a lot more to come. And also, if you do feel really generous and you would like to support my channel, why not buy me a coffee? And the link is going to be in the description on how to do this. Oh my God, I'm so excited. And there's going to be more and more stickers, because that's it. Now I've got my collection. Too cute to spook. I cannot do spooky. But I hope you like them. And thank you so much for watching. Take care for now. Bye bye.